Ready to split your online shopping into manageable, interest-free payments? In this guide, I'll show you the 2 easiest ways to use Klarna for your online purchases. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Using Klarna online is a game changer for your budget, and it's incredibly simple. Let me show you how. The first and most common method is at checkout. When you're shopping at any of the thousands of stores that partner with Klarna, like Nike, Sephora, or H&M, just add your items to the cart and proceed to checkout. Look for the Klarna logo among the payment options, like next to Visa or PayPal. Select it, and you'll be redirected to log into your Klarna account to complete the purchase. The second method is even more powerful, the Klarna browser extension. Go to the Klarna website or your app store and install the Klarna extension for Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once installed, it will automatically activate when you visit a supported online store. As you shop, the extension will show a small Klarna icon that displays the estimated cost of your cart split into 4 payments. This lets you see your savings up front. When you're ready, you can even apply any available Klarna coupon codes directly through the extension. At checkout, the process is seamless. With the extension, you often don't even need to be redirected. Just select your Klarna payment plan, like Pay in 4 or Pay in 30 days, and confirm the purchase. The extension autofills your payment details, making checkout lightning fast. A quick pro tip, always review the payment schedule before you confirm. Klarna will clearly show you the 4 bi-weekly due dates, so you know exactly when the payments will come out of your linked account. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to shop smarter online. If this guide saved you money, hit that like button. What's the first online store you'll use Klarna with? Tell me in the comments. For our next tutorial on using Klarna for in-store purchases, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.